All right, guys, here we go. This is 2023 Certified Football Hobby PYT 800. Oops, sorry, guys. You guys take your spots in this one. If anybody wants the last remaining teams, we had, I think, what, 5 teams left. Use that link in the chat. We're going to have 2 autos, 2 mims per box on average. 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Our last break of the night is our 23 Bowman Chrome following this one. So if you're in that Bowman Chrome break, that will be up next. If you guys want spots in that break or this break, use that link pinned in the chat to grab them. Here we go. Good luck. We start off with Jalen Hurts on the Certified Stars. First pack, first auto. That is going to be Xavier Hutchinson for the Texans. That is out of 149. 33 out of 149 there. Josh Allen. Kyler Murray. And we got Stephon Diggs. Next pack. We got Kid Reporter card. Immortals. That's Jamal Anderson out of 249 for the Falcons. 202 out of 249. Then we have Myles Garrett out of 275. 97 out of 275 for the Browns. Jerry Jeudy. Matt Judon. Russell Wilson. Next pack. There's Deebo Samuel on the gold team. There's a Certified Ballers, Travis Kelce. That is out of 49, 10 out of, or 30 out of 49. Going to Kansas City. Damian Pierce. Terry McLaurin. Evan Ingram. Next pack. Another Kid Reporter card to start us off. Devonta Adams on the calling cards. Brenton Strange out of 325 with Jags. Chris Godwin. Micah Parsons. Justin Herbert. Next pack. Top load what we have after this pack here. Immortals, Joe Thomas for the Browns. Another mem, that is Deuce Vaughn on the New Generation for Dallas out of 399. 17 out of 399. Justin Jefferson. Jordan Love. And we have Demario Davis. Let's top load these and we'll get to the last half of this break. Okay, guys, you still have time to get your guesses in for the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. I think we still have, what, 2 autos left in this one. And you guys can grab your spots in the upcoming break as well. We got our 23 Bowman Chrome Baseball coming up hobby box. We'll do guesses for the player on the last auto in that one. Once this one is over. Got 5 packs left. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Next pack. Again, we do have breaks on Sunday as well, so grab your spots in Sunday's breaks. Use that future break schedule. There's a Kid Reporter card. Certified Stars, Patrick Mahomes. How about Parker Washington out of 149 for Jacksonville there. Alec Pierce. Joe Mixon. Isaiah Pacheco. Next pack. Cordero Patterson on the gold team. Jameson Williams for the Lions. Miles Sanders. Fred Warner. Jamar Chase. Next pack. Kid Reporter card. George Kittle on the calling cards. Dalton Kincaid on the freshman fabric mirror signatures for the Bills. That is going to be a redemption. I'm going to send that in as soon as you get this. It's going to be our second auto. Dalton Kincaid. Myles Garrett. Travis Kelce. Amari Cooper. Last 2 packs. Marv Levy on the Immortals for the Bills spot. There's A.T. Perry out of 399 for the Saints. Shaquille Leonard. Sauce Gardner. Trevor Lawrence. Last pack in this one. Got a Kid Reporter card. Franchise Foundations, Joe Burrow for the Bengals. B.J. Ojulari out of 25, going to the Cardinals. George Pickens. Sam Howell. Tyler Lockett. Let's top load and recap. Then we'll move on to the last break of the night, which is going to be that Bowman Chrome 2023. Grab your teams in that one. Use the link pinned in the chat. Let's do a recap here. Parker Washington out of 149. Out of 399. That is A.T. Perry. Out of 25, B.J. Ojulari. Out of 249, Jamal Anderson on the Immortals. Out of 275, we have Myles Garrett. Out of 325, Brenton Strange. Certified Ballers out of 49, Travis Kelce. Deuce Vaughn out of 399 for Dallas. Xavier Hutchinson out of 149 on Yotto, and then Dalton Kincaid was our freshman fabric mirror signatures and guest of the break. Dalton Kincaid for the Bills spot. All right, that does it for this one. Let's update our title. We have 23 Bowman Chrome PYT 796 coming up next. All right. We have 7 teams left in this one. We're going to update our list real quick. Guys, want a team in this one? Use the link pinned in the chat. There's a code at checkout to get 10% off. We have 7 teams left. I'm updating the list with the last 3 of the teams that sold. The Cardinals, Rockies, and Astros sold. 7 other teams left here. Anybody wants to grab them, do so now. Your guess is in for the player on the last auto in this break for 20 in credit. Should have 2 autos per box on average. Okay.